Hi everyone, now I am going to walk through our application channel NGO. This is our group Anup, Karthik, Prashant and Bhargav. So basically when the NGO creates an event, our application acts as a platform between the donor and the NGO with the volunteer as a mediator between them who helps in transporting the funds and goodies from the donor to NGO. This is the NGO landing page. So we can create an event and its description and we can add a volunteer for it. So we're creating an event now. I'm adding a volunteer, add the event. So we can see that the event has been added successfully. This is the donor landing page. This is a list of events that is available. So we can click on any event that we're interested in donating to. I'm clicking on this event. Donate to. So our application supports the transparency of goodies by updating the information of the goodies when they are switched hands. So now I have donated the donation. Now I am going to update it that I have submitted my donation. People who are connected to the donation, like the corresponding donor, volunteer, and the NGO, can know the whereabouts of the donation. The last tick tells the current location of the donation. This is the volunteer landing page. So even the volunteer has the option to donate to the events he is interested in. So we're clicking on the event we're interested in and we're giving the amount of the donations and we're donating it. And this shows the donation history of the volunteer. Uh, Here even the volunteer is a donor. And this is the list of the donor he has to collect the donations from and submit to the NGO. So the he has received two donations and now we have to click that we have collected the donations. So CB volunteer, which means collected by the volunteer. Now after submitting the goodies to the NGO, we have to click on the option that we have submitted the goodies submitted by volunteer to the NGO, submitted by volunteer. So the volunteer corresponding to the NGO event the NGO has created, he has submitted the goodies to the NGO. Now this is our NGO landing page. This is the donation history, the donations NGO has received from the donors. When the NGO receives the donations from the volunteer, he has to click that he has collected the donations. And this is the analysis of the events held by the NGO in a month. This graph shows the events hosted in a month and this graph shows the donations collected by the NGO for the events in the month. So finally when the NGO receives all the donations from the donors, he can delete the event he wants to delete from the website. So here we can see the event we have created. Now after we receive the donations from the donors, we can delete the event. The event is deleted so that um, the donors cannot donate the donations anymore. So this is how our application helps the donors to donate the donations to the NGOs. This is the complete process, and we have added some other options like now we're in the donor landing page. So if the donor is interested to volunteer to any events, he can update his role to volunteer. Now we're clicking on the button change to volunteer, confirm. Now we have volunteer, and now we have to log in using volunteer credential role. Also we can see that the event we have deleted using the NGO role is not appeared like it's not visible in the events list. We can see it here. Now we are in the admin landing page. What admin does is he analyzes the events that are going in the website. So now we can see the events, donations and the events hosted in the month. Also, we have provided uh, options in a way that one can update one's information uh, in the left. This works for the other roles like donor, NGO, and volunteer. So, using this application, we can create a connection between donor and NGO and provide complete transparency of the goodies. This is our contact details. Thank you.